There's a VSXs in these, and I don't even want to open it because this is a work of art. Like, look at how beautiful this is. Someone folded the cardboard all the way around and like pressed it all on. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at fucking this, like. So good. It's unbelievable. This is the best packed wheel I've ever seen. It's like someone's spent fucking hours doing this.
It's like it's vacuum packed.
It looks like a lampshade. Oh, the Pro Drive STI wheels. Oh no, sorry. They're BBS STIs. Either way, very nice. For a fart. Ah. Deadly. They're like a sharper looking Emotion. These were definitely a race wheel. Look at that. They just have the weights stuck on with just metal foil tape, and then it just has a mark and then which wheel it is. Oh yeah. SSR Mark II. Oh cool. Never really see him with the faces painted. Black faced.
Usually chrome or silver.
VSKF. Deadly.
Oh.
So Wedge Sport collaboration with C1. C1 were like an offshoot of Toyota. So they had like TRD and they had fucking Gazoo or whatever, and they have C1. Yeah. They are deadly. They look like SA70's or whatever, but just with the C1 on them. Really cool. Ho ho! Very nice. Very, very nice. Hello, here we are. Now I'm on the fucking camera. Well, I don't know what a VSKF looks like. We get a lot of VSKFs. They're a very popular seller. Pure aggression. Oh, then. Ooh. These are an interesting wheel. Volt meshes. These were made in. I started making these in the early or late 70s. So like probably 78 up to like the mid 80s. I don't know. But yeah, they're savage. Volk meshes, one of the early wheels from Volk and Rays, which they would eventually have. Oh yeah, jeez, really. So, 16-inch equip with a red face, old school style as well. The old centre cap. Right, we got a triple stacker here now. There's a lot of fakes around. They're a very replicated wheel. BBS LMs, lovely little stamp on the centre here. Sometimes the old title don't give away too much. Cool wheel from back in the day. So the CST is based on this wheel, just made it in a more aggressive size. Advan model T7. Just a nice wheel from the early millennium. And you have to put in all the Allen keys one by one, so it's kind of funny, like it doesn't just pop off. They're all screwed in. It's actually threaded to the face of the wheel. Oh, R33 GTR wheels that somebody has painted black and put fancy little blue dust caps on. There's more Blitz Type 03's. Oh, one of the most desired wheels at the moment. Leon Hadritz with a cool little red done on the face. So usually it's just in silver or whatever. That looks kind of cool. T37's. I love the Rays box. The concept is racing, and then somewhere else then it'll just say Japan Power. They're quite proud of. Oh man, these are probably brand new. Oh yes. So just like you've seen over there a few minutes ago, these are brand new T37 SLs. They look like they're 18 by 10s or There's the Volk Racing optional sticker then that you can stick on the spoke. Lovely wheels. Definitely one of the prettiest wheels ever. I don't know why I have such an affliction for TE37's, but especially in the SL, they're just fucking gorgeous. This is just another set. Okay, so that's just another set of TE37 SLs in the exact same specification. So leave that off. Oh, standard S2000 wheels. Nice. More VXXs. Cut. Right. Crans ERMs. Kind of look like BBS or VSXXs. Just a little bit of a different face. SSR long chaps that have been excessively wrapped. I have these from my 86, so obviously I like these wheels. I'm quite biased towards them. They used to get the sticker kits for them. That just says fine performance wheel. These Impul, 3-spoke Impul Hoshino Racing RS3. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. With a very nice CNC center cap. Wow. Nice. Work Bersaglio. SSR SP1s. See, as we said before, we sell a lot of SSR SP1s. They're definitely like our most popular wheel, I would imagine. Wow, that is serious. And I'm just making shit of this excellent packing artwork. I will not be defeated by the Japanese origami. Oh, yes, boy. Right, these are really, really interesting. So, SSR made. Hang on, let me get one out. So, SSR make the other Koenig, which is pretty much the same face, but it just has a flat lip on him. And then it seems that Desmond were contracted to make these, which are a step lip version of the Koenig. So it's a Desmond produced Koenig. Very cool, because they're in 18s with a step lip, and see the stamping on it there. Desmond. So very cool. I've never seen a set of these in real life. Ever. Step lip SSR Koenigs. I would say that these are prettier than the other Koenigs. I wonder if the center caps line up, if they're the same. Kind of looks a little bit bigger. It's hard to know, but absolutely phenomenal looking wheel. They look so great with a step lip. They are brand new. Brand new 15's. Yeah, 15-inch CRK Ultimate, so the new ones. We love a good P1 around here. Ready. Gunmetal in colour. See him there. And there's Amcred ARs here. Also very cool. Oh Jesus, nearly took me eye out. SSR Mark II's with the OG centre cap. There's usually a little guy sitting in kind of like a race car with a helmet on. You can see the little mirror there and the hat, but he's faded away to none. But yeah, they're lovely. SSR Mark II's. Oh, cool. More OG equips, the older style, with the older centre car. Probably like mid to late 90s. Right. Oh yeah! They're lovely. Matte finish. It is a matte finish, isn't it? These are great. For a customer, I guess. Enki Hurricanes. What a cool name for a wheel. They just look like an SSR Mark 1 with just all the holes drilled in them.
5 stud, isn't it?
Yeah, 5 stud. I'd say they were geared more towards like a 4x4 as opposed to like a car, but I could be wrong. Yeah, look, there's the sticker faded away there. It says Hurricane Racing. So, Enki Hurricane Racing. Deadly.
Limited edition.
Limited edition, 37. Oh, more Advan Model 5s. So yeah, most of these were snatched up out of Japan in big sizes years ago by Americans. You don't really see them pop up that much anymore. 8.5J meshes for Eamon that's in the shed with us for his 180. So they might fit, they might not fit. No, but very, very hard to find SSR meshes in 16s and big sizes. So I think these are 8.5J. But super cool. He found them on the auctions and he got excited and he wanted me to purchase them for him, so we did. But Ruben has a similar set on his Laurel. There's VSXs in these, and I don't even want to open it because this is a work of art. Like, look at how beautiful this is. Someone folded the cardboard all the way around and like pressed it all on. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at fucking this, like. It's unbelievable. This is the best packed wheel I've ever seen. It's like someone's spent fucking hours doing this.
It's like it's vacuum packed.
It looks like a lampshade or like a bamboo table or something. Look at that, like. Yeah, it is. It's like it's been vacuumed on, like. Which it may have been, but I don't know. I can't believe this. I really can't. I know the Japanese are good at packing, but like, my God, extreme. That's absolutely extreme. It's the best thing I've ever seen. So we're not going to open these VSXXs. That's concluded our trip through the wheels. I hope you enjoyed it. It's always amazing to go through all these wheels and show you all the really cool stuff that comes in from Japan. It's always a pleasure to unbox all this stuff and just, yeah, we've been doing it for a few years now and it doesn't get old. It's a massive tease because we don't get to keep any of this stuff and you get to see really cool and rare items pass through. But it's cool to know that they go to a good home and we're saving a lot of this stuff and sending it on to other places around the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, goodbye, see ya. Yeah. JDM Distro machine. Ooh, nice. Here? Unreal.
Unreal, right? Well, that's what we're doing. Some unnecessary purchase, isn't it?
Yeah.
What? You only buy one?
No. Yeah. Ruben is COVID friendly.
COVID P1?
Mask definitely helps.
Yeah. Safe.
They're original.
Yeah.
And they're so original that they've faded from being original. Ah. So now you have 6 P1s.
Yeah. Good.
Just for the buzz.
And one SSR.
And 1 SSR.
Singular SSR.
Perfect. Started with this. So you need to draw an artist's impression of this here. No judging.
If you can kind of draw this on this,
We'll
and then you can reveal it, and it's basically the exact same.
Yeah, it'll be incredible.
Unless this is actually
We're not
different.
judgy.
I still don't know what it is. Is it like a rabbit?
Hold on, we're giving a bit of a feather or something.
Does he smoke?
Ah, he's from Waterford. He plays smoke down Pebble.
At least he looks exactly like this.